Ano?
I'm excited to do nothing and think of nothing at all.
Sabi doon, wag open.
Kobe, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wow, Daddy.
Sabi,
Wow.
sabi namin bawal tumingin si Kim pag naliligo ako. Kasi kitang-kita eh.
Wow, ang ganda.
Mama.
You're finished ba? Ba't na? You want to swim in the swimming pool na?
Ito ang buhay ng aking anak. Kobe, how are you feeling?
Happy.
Wow! Nagbababat siya habang pinapakain ko ng chicken, tocino ng cotton wings. In fairness, masarap to. Ayan. Buti nga kumakain na siya ng itlog ngayon. Dati hindi. Okay, so susubuan natin siya. Ako bo, Uy, ang sarap.
Kakatapos lang kumain ng sisig at inasal. Si Ate Kim, pinapatulan ako. Kamusta ang Boracay, Ate Kim?
Okay lang. Hindi ko pa na-experience ang saya, mamaya pa.
Kamusta ang eroplano? First time?
Okay lang din.
Normal lang daw.
Normal lang.
Parang mas mabilis pa sa bus.
Hello, my name is Kobe Kyle. My dada peaceful. Okay. Team Aboy!
Gusto ko pang bilang birthday.
We're back at Boracay.
The
Sa
best
Henna
place.
Palm ulit.
The best place on earth.
So, alam niyo naman, sa mga vlog natin, lagi tayo sa Boracay. Favorite namin dito.
Because there's no agenda and I like it. I'm ready to do
Magre-relax lang.
nothing. I'm
Walang
so
iisipin.
ready to do nothing. Hindi pa ako nag-open ng social media since kaninang morning. That's my intention. I don't wanna think of anything.
Tingnan niyo to.
This is my trippings. This is the kind of trippings that I like.
Kita niyo dito.
Happy hour, Lockhart!
Back at it again. Bibili tayo ulit ng mga pasalubong. Kay Lola, si Lola. Kailangan natin bilhan ng... Ano yung bibili? Duster. Yung gusto ni Lola, duster. Hanap tayo ng merienda. So, check naman natin yung mga hindi pa natin natatry.
Yeah.
Ano pa yung mga hindi natin natatry dito. Ever since 2021, every year nandito tayo. 2021. 2019,
Yeah.
2020 wala, tapos 2021.
2019 yung wedding nila.
Max. So, wedding nila Max and Fruits.
2019, 2021, 2022.
Ay, ito yung bagong hotel. Bagong Mandarin Bay. It's new. So, something different from last year. Naglagay na sila ng mga beach beds dito. Sunbeds dyan. Sa harap. This is new. Wheel Coffee. Medyo malumot daw kasi umulan. Ito na pala, D-Mall na rin to. Sobrang sarap talaga ng feeling pag nasa Boracay. Sarap pag nagwo-walking lang ng ganito. Island life. Sabi ko nga kay Winona kung unlimited lang yung pera namin. Gusto ko dito tumira.
Iwan niya kami.
Magkita-kita na lang kami. Kasi naman, tignan mo naman. Tignan mo na. Ganda. Ha? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Fish cake, fish cake.
Masarap?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, go.
I'll get it. Ito Ito maraming merienda. May crepe, may dessert na toro. You guys wake up coffee. Maybe around.
Hanap tayo merienda. Looking for merienda with the Laka kids. Sarap talaga dito.
Muntik naman nun to. Eh, nadapa na.
Wow!
I didn't.
Pakita, saan yung dapa mo?
Sa stairs.
Sus,
Na alam. I didn't
may bago oh.
stairs.
That's new.
Ito?
Parang bago to, hindi ba? Matagal na yan.
Tagal na yan. Gusto mo yan? May crepes din dito.
Try mo. Ano orderin mo?
We already ordered 3 times kay Atan. It's so embarrassing. I look like a fatty. But we ordered tteokbokki and fish cake. I don't really eat
What do you want?
Sushi.
Hello guys! Hello Ate Arya! Let's look for shake for Tito. And I'm gonna make makiinom because I like shake too. As a fellow fatty, I want shake too. Where's a good shake here? What about the shake you guys always talk about?
It's
Other side pa, no?
yeah, it's a bit far.
Oh.
Magkano yan?
100 pesos for 2.
100 for 2 na yun?
100.
Sarap. Touching.
Hello!
Tayo ng palamig. Hanap tayo ng shake.
Oh, palamig.
Hanap tayo merienda.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Hindi ka doon sa Ferris wheel? Sarap?
Yeah. Could be.
Try natin yung jammers. Tagal na natin nakikita yan pero di pa natin natatry. So try natin merienda. Yeah.
Sabi ko ngayon naghahanap na sila. Bakit ba tango?
Gusto daw niya umorder ng salad pero hindi siya
I
nag-gulay.
don't eat gulay. I never eat
Bakit ka
gulay.
magsasalad?
Healthy?
Sus.
New, healthy life change.
Tapos naka-makeup pa yan. Oh, panis. Naka-ano pa yan, meron pa siyang eyeshadow. So, trinay namin to. Jammers, lagi namin nadadaanan. So, ano yung price niya.
Oo, akala ko unti lang. Tapos, ang tagal ko kinakain. Pwede. Kakanin. Pwede ng lunch.
other parasail.
Ayan. So, sobrang ganda. First day.
Sobrang Latina. Planning to start a vlog this summer.
Okay, start one.
Kasi I want to make a vlog that's just daily me.
Okay,
Where I
start
do
one.
things in school. I show them how much I hate school, how much I hate my teachers, how much I hate school
Okay.
in general.
So, si Kobe natutulog pa. So, iniwan namin sila ni
I'm
Ate
taking
Kim
over.
doon. Tulog muna sila para hindi walang topak. Tapos kami merienda
Silang
muna.
dalawa magkakatoba.
Tapos,
Mas natin yung magdadabog. Magtatahan sa kanya.
so, babalik kami doon after nito. Balik kami doon. Tapos, bahala na.
Kaya sama.
Yeah, all of us. If you want. It's near lang.
This is there.
We're gonna go during sunset para
Yeah, that's what I want.
picture with my camera. Hindi ko alam na dito tayo.
Me too. I just saw Tita Aram say Dimon. I said, let's go down one.
Budget?
Eh kasi,
Kasi naman naka-full pack.
grabe naman kasi makeup mo. Kala mo may pupuntahan kang debut.
Sabi niya ito pa, may naka-full pack makeup eh.
Oo, kaya ikaw yung sinisingil tuloy. Didiwan mo nga yung Boracay doon.
Your cheeks nga pala.
Wala na,
What?
okay na.
You just took antibiotics and it's fine. Yung
Oh, I thought you meant my brown.
your brown.
I was like, it's gone.
Bronzer.
Ako yung may gantong offer. Human brown.
Art ko ko nga.
Oh, kiss, kiss, kiss.
Inaasar nila ako.
Pwede naman, dito tayo titira.
Inaasar
Lahat
nila
tayo
ako.
magaganon.
Sabi na pag dito daw ako titira,
Station.
maglalako na rin daw ako. Akala, gusto mo?
Oh, sige nga, tita, umikot ka.
Nakaganyan.
Benta mo yung sasakyan.
Nakaganyan na, nakaganyan.
Bili ka ng jet ski. Ayan. Tapos bili ka ng
Share
jet
pa raw sailing. Tambay ako dyan, oh.
Siyempre, papaprint ka, nakalaminate dapat yung ano mo. Aesthetic.
Ma'am, pa raw sailing. 2.5 lang isa.
Naka ano pa, polo shirt.
Oh, I miss Kobe.
You miss Kobe pag kinumpisahan ka nun.
Ayaw niya naman sa akin eh. Di niya naman ako inuumpisa.
Isat masarap.
Hindi holiday bukas. Ano?
Wow. Wednesday.
The beach!
Is that still your magnetic na?
What are you drinking?
This is watermelon. This is so sarap.
What are you drinking?
Chocolate shake and I'm such a fatty.
Arya, take a video of the sandcastle. Oh, careful. Take a video of it. Wait a minute.
Wait, video tayo dito.
Guys, look what I found. The peak. And this is the Boracay. Oh my gosh, it's April 12. It's so nice. Is that a shell? Is that a shell or a rock? Yeah, it's so beautiful. I think I saw the shell. What? Hey guys. So beautiful. Let's go back.
Sunset sailing na. Oh.
Hi
We're
guys.
vlogging pala eh.
I don't know if this is the shell or a rock.
Oh.
Girl, I'm pretty sure that's your
Hello po.
Hi kuya.
5 lang po kayo, sir.
Oo.
Sir, invite namin kayo mamayang gabi sa Astoria Hotel, Astoria Boracay.
Astoria doon or dito?
Astoria, sir, dito sa Boracay.
Ano meron?
Meron kami free dinner buffet tonight.
Free dinner? Free?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
For promotion hotel po namin. Anong hotel kayo nakasama?
the
It's okay. Look at Ate Arya.
Wait lang. I wanna go there.
Okay, let's go there.
Okay.
Why? Let's go. Don't wear your shoes na. Let's go there na.
So many.
Wow.
There po. Daw! Ayaw ka lang naman.
Come here daw.
Go. You can try mo reaching. Try mo reaching. Go. Oh, kaya mo.
I don't care anymore. I will wet my hair.
Ayaw mo naman eh. Try reaching it again. Go. With your feet. Go be swimming. Go there? You wanna go there with Ate Arya? Okay. Where's Ate Ali? Go be speaking. Look at mommy, oh. Look at... Are you a fish? Are you baby shark? Is this baby shark? Wow. Say to the camera, hi, I'm baby shark. Oh, go.
I will come get you. We're gonna get you.
Oh no. Oh no. Hi guys, we're having dinner. This is our first night.
Is it true that if you eat slower, you get busog faster? Sa bar.
Natulog na sila. They're sleeping na oh. Ate Ali and Ate Arya sleeping na. Wake up mo sila.
Yung gusto mo, mapag-correct na lang kasi.
Ito, nakikain lang tayo dito, nakigamit ka pa ng amenities.
Nakatodo ano?
Todo pa talaga. Seryoso pa talaga siya. Gumagano'n pa yun.
Go to bed. Kasi natabayin.
That's it for our day 1. Kita-kits tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye guys! Bye guys!
Bye.
Let's go. Si ate game na
Bye.
nag-TV pa eh.
Say bye.
Hello, my name is Papi Kayon. My dada peaceful. Okay. Team Aboy!